MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to apply a lace frontal wig if you have a low hairline just like I do. Now, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing so that you guys can see exactly how the hair comes if you guys decide to go ahead and purchase this wig. Now, along with the wig, I did receive a pair of lashes and a wig cap that I can wear underneath the wig. Now, the wig details is Mongolian Kinky curly wig, length 22 inches, 180% density. Now, this burgundy color is absolutely beautiful, it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's very vibrant. I love this color. Now, the lace on this wig was a little questionable, but I will go ahead and show you guys how I fixed the color of this lace later on in this video. But nevertheless, this wig cap does have 4 combs and an adjustable strap. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do with prepping my hair for underneath this wig is I'm going to go in and spray my hair with some water just to loosen it up a bit. Then I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Glued gel, and I'm going to use this to slick my hair going straight back. Now, when you're slicking your hair straight back, you want to make sure that you make your hair as flat as possible, and you want to do a very low bun. Now, because I do have a very low hairline, I will be leaving my edges out for this installation, because if I were to bring the wig up in front of my hairline, the wig will make me look like I have no forehead. So I will be leaving my edges out for this installation. Now, after I went ahead and molded my hair down, I'm going to go ahead and apply this medium brown wig cap to my head, and this wig cap just helps to eliminate the whole applying makeup to the wig cap to make it match my skin tone. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Got To Be Glued gel only to the edges of the wig cap in the front section of my head. And I'm going to be pretty generous with the gel in this point, because this is where the wig is going to be laying down on the front section of my head. I am also being careful not to add any of this gel to my baby hairs as well. After I went ahead and applied the gel in, I am going to go in with my blow dryer just to completely dry this gel to make sure the cap will not move. This wig application process does take a little bit of time, so if you are in a rush, I do not suggest applying a lace frontal wig last minute. You want to make sure that you're taking your time so that you have a really nice, flawless wig application. Now, after I've completely dried the front section of my head on the wig cap, I'm gonna go in and use my lace tint spray to tint the lace on the wig. Now, the lace that the wig came with is a really light lace, and it does not match my skin tone whatsoever. So using this lace tint spray that I got from my local beauty supply store really helped this wig to match my skin tone 100%. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig to my head and position it how I want it to be so I can see what it's looking like on my head. And after I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace before I apply it to my head, just to prevent me from cutting my baby hairs while I'm applying the wig. As you guys can see, the lace is now a perfect match to my skin tone. This is what the lace is looking like after I cut the lace completely off in the front. And now I'm going to position the wig on my head, and I'm going to bring it as far up as I can, right behind my hairline, and then I'm going to begin tacking this bad boy down. Now, I am not going to use any type of lace glue. I am going to go in with the Got To Be Glued High Insta Hold hairspray, and this is what I will be using to tack my wig down. Now this spray right here, I believe it's absolutely stronger than the Got to Be Glued spray in the yellow can. When I tell you, as soon as I sprayed this stuff down and applied my blow dryer to dry it, this hairspray dried instantly and this wig was not moving anywhere. So I suggest you guys go ahead and get your hands on some of this Got to Be Glued Insta Hold hairspray because it worked absolutely amazing for me. As I apply this wig to my head, I am working one section at a time. So I started off in the center, then I'm going to alternate side by side. And the reason why I'm doing this is just to make sure that the wig is going to be evenly placed on either side of my head. After I went ahead and completely tacked this wig down, I did realize that I could have cut off a little bit more lace around the front section of the wig. So if you guys do decide to do this process, just like I did, you want to make sure that you cut off as much lace as possible and get as close to the hairline on the wig as you can, because once you lay this wig down, you want to make sure you bring that wig up right behind your hairline, because that's where you will get the most seamless application. Now, the next time I do go and reinstall this wig, I will make sure to do that. After I went ahead and tacked the wig down, I am going to go in with my damp rag and just wipe away any of that excess hairspray that may have touched my edges. Now I'm going to go in with my Nairobi foaming mousse and I'm going to use this to define the baby hairs in the front section of the lace frontal, and I'm just going to take out a little bit of hair to use to blend in along with my edges along the front section of my head. After I've determined the amount of hair that I wanted to leave out, I am going to go in and cut down that baby hair, and then I'm going to go in and apply some more Nairobi foaming mousse to then sculpt out my baby hairs in the front section of my head. I am going to be very generous with the foamy mousse because my natural hair is extremely curly, so in order for my hair to stay in place, I need to apply as much of the mousse as possible just so I can be able to move them around in the directions that I need it to be. You guys want to make sure you're taking your time. One thing I do want to mention is try not to add too much mousse along the edges of the lace front because it will also cause the lace front to lift. Now, once I sculpted my baby hairs to look like what I want them to look like, I am going to go in with my edge scarf and tie them down into place. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply some makeup to my face, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished product. Now that I'm looking all cute, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the edge scarf from around my edges so that we can see how my edges is looking. And as you guys can see, my baby hairs are super duper laid and the lace front is super duper melted into my skin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start running my fingers through the hair, fluffing it out and making it nice and big and voluminous, just like the way I like my hair to look. I did go ahead and match my eyebrows to the color of this hair because I felt that that was such a cute little touch to my makeup. And now as I am running my fingers through the hair, I am getting a little bit of shedding from the wig, and I will show you guys that right now. It's just a little bit, it's not too much, it's not too bad, I feel like it's fine. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get up close and personal so that you guys can see the color of this hair, the texture of this hair. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my slow-mo for you guys so that you guys can get into the movement. I was able to show you guys how to apply a lace frontal wig if you have a low hairline just like I do. Now, my first impressions on this hair is that this color is absolutely beautiful, and it's not too bright of a red, not too dark of a red. I think it's that perfect in-between burgundy red color that you can wear on a daily basis. This hair does have a little bit of shedding, and this hair is also very soft to the touch. If you guys are interested in this beautiful Mongolian kinky curly lace frontal wig that I did receive from a company called CurlyMe, I will go ahead and leave the details to this hair and the link to this hair in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, my beauties!